Should you outsource your marketing to third-party agency to do it? Now, I have a lot of friends who come and ask me these questions, and I have even people come and ask me and seek for partnerships. They just want to like throw the entire marketing things to me, and they just want to focus on their own expertise. Now, my answers to this, some marketers won't like it, but some business owners will agree with me. And my recommendation is that as a business owner, we need to internalize marketings, we need to embrace the marketing, and we need to take control of the marketings. The reason why is so simple. Let's talk about business. In business, there's only one department that brings in money, which is marketings, or perhaps marketing and sales departments. The rest of the other departments are costs. So if you understand this point, you know that we need to treat this particular department as like a baby, and we really need to monitor everything so that we don't screw up. Now, a lot of business owners think that, okay, as a business owner, we need to delegate it, we need to outsource somebody so that we can focus our own things. My take is, you can delegate other departments, but never your marketing departments. Marketing department is like a car, right? Your business is like a car, and marketing is like the steering wheels, right? And if you let someone take control of the steering wheel, let's say you want to go from point A to point B, they might bring you to point C. So that's actually what I mean. But as a business owner, if we internalize it, we take control of the marketing, we can actually know that we know how to get ourselves from point A to point B. That's my opinions. And the other things is why I don't recommend business owners to outsource the entire marketing department to third party is because we've done that before. We act as third-party marketing agency before, and we know what's the pros and cons. And one thing very crucial is that these marketing agencies, they need to survive. And they cannot just serve you alone. They need to have multiple clients, like 10, 20, or 50, or 100 clients in order to grow the business, in order to bring cash into their business. And if you look at the focus-wise, let's use 100% examples, right? And let's take 50 clients, they need to have 50 clients in order to survive. And let's use 100%, and you divide it by 50, you're going to get like what? Less than 5% to focus you on it. And let's say they have a dedicated person for your case. I still don't think that they can do a very good job for you. They might bring some leads for you, but in terms of the little details, the things that you need to tweak, they might not know your business as well as you. And in marketing, there's many things that we need to tweak. We cannot just like, okay, we do one shot and then we just leave it and then you will make it, you will work forever. It won't happen that way. In marketing, it's like we need constant changes. We need the constant testings, like on a daily basis or every few days. You need to do this. And sometimes we need to do it fast. And when you outsource to third-party agencies, because they have their own operational hours, and let's say you find out something that need to be changed, right, on Saturday, but they only work from Monday to Fridays. So you have to wait until like next Monday, or perhaps they need to tell you, okay, I need to change something, let's have a meet up and discuss. Then you waste a few days. That few days, basically, if you get things done, like, you know that probably if you know the stuff, you can only change it like within 5 or 10 minutes. You don't even have to wait for a few days. That's actually the speed or the time loss that I'm talking about. So if you understand the point that I'm trying to tell you, that like really seriously, we as a business owner, we really need to take control of everything. We need to understand how the marketing works. And even though your business is big, I still recommend people to have your internal team, which you can actually access it immediately and do some changes immediately. Okay, not outsource this entirely to third parties. And some people think that, okay, I find someone who can only charge me so cheap, right? And you have to understand why they are charging so cheap. Most likely they are just getting started. There's nothing wrong of getting started. Everyone needs to start somewhere else. But if you understand my point, if you let someone to, especially those beginners, to help you to handle your business, you waste a lot of time. You probably spend a lot of money, invest a lot of money. At the end, you don't get the result that you want. So usually I prefer to I usually share with business owners that you need to master the marketing. You need to know the in and out of how marketing works. and then at least you can delegate to your person in charge, and whenever they face issues, you know that they cannot bullshit you, right? Or when you understand like the in and out of marketings, and even though you really want to outsource to somebody else and they say they can work hand in hand together with you, you know that all these terms, all these little things that happen in marketing, especially in online or especially in offline marketing, you know that they can't bullshit you. So you still have the major control of the your marketing departments. So that's actually what I'm talking about, and I hope that actually this give you some insights on what you should do next for your business. Now, if you find that this video relevant to you and resonate with you, and you think that this video actually can help your other business friends, please help me to share with your friends. And if you want to find out more info about what we do and some more free trainings of what we have, go and check out the info below. And last things, please subscribe to our channels for more information, for more videos next.